Thank you.
And so everybody, drug court graduation, 1 p.m. So you can come down and you can see the graduates from 187th.
I don't know.
Oh, here's our list.
How many are there? More than one.
Drug court works.
How many? Oh, wow.
Mhm.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
That many?
Yeah, we always have.
Look,
Graduates.
187
Holy shit.
compared to
Sorry,
every other court. Look at this. Some courts don't have any, but that's
Wow.
that's quite amazing. I can understand where you're going. They might
Yes.
not want to see us.
Yeah, no, let me just tell you, they do. And you know what? Sometimes when they graduate, they thank the prosecutor, they thank the judges, and their families are there. And usually some will say, this is the first time I've ever had a bank account. This is the first time I ever had a place to live, a stable environment.
That's cool. Back when I used to be drug court in the Escalates, there was only one time where one of them was like, I want to thank the prosecutor because he actually was really nice and do this despite me doing something awful.
I did drug court as a prosecutor.
Mhm.
I think almost back when it was first formed,
Mhm.
with Judge Hurd.
Yes.
And
Judge Her was the second one.
second one, okay.
Yeah.
And I mean, I was there when she started. I was like, but I was so mad because I was like getting ready for murders and stuff. And I was like,
Yeah.
and she would do staffing, and we would have to be there.
Oh, let me just tell you the way it was back in the Stone Age when I first started. So brand new, nobody really knew what they were doing.
Judge Glenn, right?
No, it was Judge Ramon. So Judge Ramon called me and said, hey, you want to be a part of felony drug court? I'm like, yeah, sure. And then I'm like, okay, what are we doing? And so I was reading up on treatment and stuff. We would meet after court was over. And when I say meet after court was over, we would start at 8 p.m.
Oh my
And some
God.
days we would not get out till 11. And you know how much attorneys were paid?
So like,
Zero.
ha!
It was just all volunteer.
Oh,
It was just
wow.
something we believed in. And so the first night we had one participant, and that one participant, we had to get them in treatment.
Y'all forgot to focus on what?
Yeah, we were like, and then people started hearing about the program, and then we started getting more, and then staffing started running later and later and later.
I think it's a great program.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, I think it's something that needed to be formed.
Oh,
and-
yes.
and it's great.
Oh, it is.
But as prosecutors, I was like, you don't need me.
Yeah.
I go, all you need for me to do is go that way.
Because sometimes, people need stability where they're accountable every single day. And that's what I like about drug court. I always tell people it's hard because your day is every single day you have something to do. And then slowly, when it's get closer to graduation and you're improving, it's less and less because now you should be able to use all the
It's like,
tools.
it's coaching. It's life.
Mhm.
It's coaching and because like you're probably at their lowest. That's so much stuff that they could to get out of being homeless or druggy, to get to a house or get to an apartment or
yes.
and they have no financial or family support or friends. It's just it's so surmountable. And then when you do drug court, when you have those persons that you can talk to them with daily,
Mhm.
I think
And
that's.
I always
that's the
tell
way to set the
people,
work.
when people say, oh, change your people, places, and things, I tell them that is so difficult. They're like, no, it's not. I said, okay, you're on the straight and narrow. What if I told you to change your people, places, and things? And I want you to hang out with people who commit crimes and who use drugs. Your first thing was like, oh, I'm nervous. Where do I meet people? What do I do? And I said, it's the same thing with people who are becoming clean and sober. It's like, okay, where do I find these other people who are clean and sober? And what do I do? So it's really a complete 180 of your life to get
Oh,
it
yeah.
together.
I totally agree. I like this. I like it.
But that's
a lot
where I
of
will
thought.
be. But hey, if you guys come back this afternoon, your t-shirts will be here because we're doing the 5K. I'm running it. The rest of you people who choose to walk, then you go ahead.
I'm doing the 5K, but I didn't register, so I just have to show up early, I think, right?
Yes.
No, they closed it. They closed
Oh,
online registration. I just show up.
You can
Just show up and run.
there.
Yeah, just show up.
You can sign up there.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing, but
But be there early because I think the run starts at 8, but they have something else before that. So if you go before and do it before you have to.
And if
start.
all else fails, I'm gonna have my hair in a ponytail.
Okay.
You get your tan on,
Yeah.
you put a ponytail on,
Uh-huh.
and you run as me.
See him in a ponytail.
But I want you to, if you're gonna run as me, I want a great time.
oh yeah, absolutely.